Whether your toilet seat is damaged or you just want to go for a new style, replacing it is easier than you might think. So keep watching this to find out how you can replace a top-fitting toilet seat in just 4 simple steps. And for all the tools and materials used in this video, check out the description below. Before you start working on the toilet, it's a good idea to disinfect the bowl with antibacterial wipes, making sure you wear protective gloves. Use a tape measure to make sure you get a seat that's the right size. You'll also want to get a seat that matches the shape of your toilet. For example, D-shaped, round or square. Remove the caps and pull off the seat, lifting it off the bolts. Then you'll need to take off the remaining caps, loosen the screws and lift off the rest of the mechanism. At this point, you'll need to measure between the bolt holes in your toilet. Your new seat will come with instructions walking you through the process of how to install it. First, insert the rubber plugs into the holes. Peel off the tab under the seat to reveal a rubberized base. This will prevent the seat from slipping. Then place the fixings onto the holes. Use a spacer to ensure they're the perfect width apart and match the holes in the toilet seat. Next, place the bolts into the fixings, tightening them as much as you can by hand. It's a good idea to check the spacing again here before you fully tighten the bolts. Tighten the bolts using an Allen key. You may not be able to tighten them fully if the seat gets in the way. Then take the seat back off so you've got space to fully tighten the screws with your Allen key. Remove the spacer bar and place the caps on top. And finally, attach the toilet seat. It should click into place as you push it down. And that's it! You've now got a brand new toilet seat securely installed.